other side of the planet could help snakebite victims in your...
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
But to tell that part of the story, we need to hop on a plane, take you nearly 10,000 miles from here, from one tropical city to another. In the 80s, Crockett and Tubbs spent 111 episodes chasing drug kingpins off the streets of South Beach. In real life today, these are the heroes, the first responders of Miami. The brave men and women of Miami-Dade Fire Rescue not only run towards and into burning buildings, but they're also in charge of this refrigerator, full of anti-venom.
So this is about $6,000 for just one box.
A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 71 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Monday, cloudy and windy. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. High 86. Monday night, partly cloudy, chance of a thunderstorm. Low 69. Chance of rain 30%. Here's our 7-day outlook. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
Think all premium fuels are the same? New Shell V-Power Nitro Plus Premium Gasoline is engineered with 4 levels of defense against gunk, wear, corrosion, and friction.